video for you. This time I'm going to be showing you how I achieve my high buns. I am so excited to be showing you how I get this look. I'm telling you, this is my go-to style. If you see me, I'm usually rocking a high bun. So if you would like to see how I achieve this look, stay tuned. I'm so excited to be showing you guys this. So keep watching. Alright babe, so I am starting out on an old twist out, and I am just going to be putting in my flat twist here in the front. I am taking my parting comb and just parting off a little section here in the front where I will be putting my flat twist. This section does not have to be perfect, you guys, but I do want my part to be somewhat straight. Now I am just going to put the rest of my hair in a bun just to keep it out of the way. Now all that's in my spray bottle is a little bit of water. I'm just going to moisten my hair with this. And you guys know how much I love Mielle Organics hair milk, so I am going to go ahead and apply this as my leave-in and just work this product through. Alright babe, so now we will begin our flat twist. I'm going to go ahead and start the flat twist and try to explain it as best I can. All I'm doing is twisting, parting with my finger, twisting it, parting with my finger, grabbing that section, twisting, parting with my finger, grabbing that section, twisting. I hope you guys can get it. I have a flat twist out tutorial as well where I think it may be a little bit easier to see, but this is what the flat twist looks like when it's all done. So now I'm going to go through and just loosen my flat twist just a little bit. Alright, so now I'm going to take my spray bottle again and I'm going to mist the top of my hair and then my ends. I am not going to spray the back of my hair, and I'll explain why later. And then I'm going to grab the hair milk one more time and then moisturize the top part of my hair, my ends, and then I'm going to go and moisturize the middle of my hair as well. If you've seen my last video, you know I am new to the gel game, and I normally use Eco Cellar gel, but this Wetline Xtreme gel, guys, like, let me tell you, this stuff, like, this is bad. This is bad. So what I'm going to do is take this gel. You couldn't really see it, but I put it between my hands and then rub my hands together and then kind of smooth it onto my hair. And then I'm going to take my brush and just brush my hair back. Again, I'm not going to put any gel in the back of my hair or brush the back of my head. I'm only going to brush and apply the gel to the front portion of my head. So now you're going to take your elastic band and you're going to place it right above your ears, and then you're going to bring it and cross it right in front of your forehead. Grab hold of the part that's crossed with your index finger and your thumb just to keep it tight, and then push the back of the elastic band up to the top of your head where you want your bun to be. Once you've done that, you want to pull, kind of like you're tying a shoe, but you want to pull the elastic band. It'll come up over the twist. Alright, so this part is a little bit more difficult to explain, but what you're going to do is take your elastic band and wrap it around your thumbs and your middle fingers, and you're going to pretty much tuck your hair into the elastic band and push it up. There are times where I just go and rock it just like this and don't use any bobby pins, but I am going to bobby pin this down just to make it a little bit more of a neat bun. So the flat twist, you're going to take and bobby pin that down. The parts of the bun that are sticking out, take bobby pins and pin those parts back as well. So the reason why I didn't apply the gel to the back of my head was because I do like my buns to be kind of messy buns. I don't like it to be tight and flat to my head in the back. So that's why I didn't apply water, moisturizer, or gel. Alright, so I'm going to take about a dime size amount of gel, just a little bit, and smooth it onto the front part of my hair. And then I'm going to grab my brush and just smooth, make sure that's very smooth, smooth that down real good. And then get it really well with my fingers. Now what I'm going to do is hold that there, take my bobby pin, and pin it down. Now what this does is it keeps my bun loose but gives it a tight appearance, so it looks like my bun is in there real tight but it feels loose to the head. So I love this because my bun is so comfortable, you guys, but it looks like it is a tight ponytail type of bun. Alright, so now that my bun is complete, I'm going to go and do my edges using the Wetline Xtreme gel. I do my edges with my fingers, you guys. I've done it this way for years. It gets the job done. But yeah, this is how I achieve my high bun. So if you guys try it and you like it, let me know. Stay tuned a little bit for some bloopers. You guys, this video was crazy to film. Like, your girl could not talk for nothing. But this is how I achieve my high bun, you guys. So thanks for watching. I am back with another new style. I'm telling you, I rock my high two buns. This is my go-to style. Go-to when I say, like, your girl rocks her high two buns. About how I achieve my high bun. My high bun look. I hate that sound. Alright. Woo! Woo!